everyone, Simon Karim here. Today I'm taking you inside Seoul at City Center, right here in the heart of downtown West Palm Beach. If you've been looking for a place that blends modern design, resort style amenities, and unbeatable walkability, you're going to love this one. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the atmosphere. A resort style pool with cabanas, a rooftop terrace. Fitness lovers, you're covered with a state of the art gym inside the apartments. It's all about comfort and style. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, smart home features, and private balconies. Everything is designed for a seamless living experience. Now, one of my favorite things about Seoul at City Center is where it's located. Step outside and you're right in the middle of downtown West Palm Beach. Restaurants, shopping, nightlife, it's all just steps away. For foodies, you got the Blind Monk, one of the top wine bars in the country. Batch New Southern Kitchen and Tap, serving comfort food with a modern twist. If you love the outdoors, you're a short walk from Meyer Amphitheater for concerts, Howard Park for green space, and for shopping, you can't beat the options nearby. City Place, just minutes away, offers over 60 shops and dining spots. Tanger Outlets. Palm Beach brings you over 100 big name brands. Now let's talk numbers. A one bedroom at Seoul at City Center averages between $2,890 and $3,000 per month. That's a bit higher than the city average of about $2,475, but you're paying for premium amenities, location, and lifestyle that simply can't be matched. So, if you're looking for luxury living right in downtown West Palm Beach, Seoul at City Center deserves to be at the top of your list. This is Simon Karim. Call or text me at 5617 or visit simoncancel.com.